Room 404 at the top of a 3-floor building at the very far end of this lovely resort in Rishikesh, or outside Rishikesh. That is Anand Kashi. It's owned by the owners of Forest Essentials, and it's part of Taj's Selection soft brand. The people here are so lovely, so welcoming. Look, in the bathtub, in the shower, I'm looking right out at the Ganges. Apparently, this was the summer residence of the local Maharaja. He certainly knew how to look after himself. Not surprisingly, the toiletries are all Forest Essentials. See the Ganges rushing by. An enormous overhead shower. Lots of sockets and a USB. Plenty of water. And I'm going out before it gets really dark, because this room, well, I would go out, but hold on, I think it's locked. I'm going out. Sorry about that. I was trying to open the fly screen. And there, just before dusk, there's the Ganges, the holy Ganges. And this is my private terrace in Rishikesh.